Banner Protection 2009, and I'm here because I customized a new figure. I'm not gonna touch it because it's gonna fall right apart. I use something from Springtrap. I use that from Springtrap. I use those two pieces from Nightmare Freddy. The whole arm for Nightmare Freddy. This part from the Axle set. And that one from, well, Nightmare Freddy. And I customized the face a little bit, as you can see. Tried to make Phantom pretty, but I failed, so I just scribbled all the face and I wiped it off with a washcloth with water. And as you can see, there's like faded cheeks. The face looks like ink. I'm about to call this thing Dismantled Ink Freddy. Look at the shadow. Oh wait, because my flash is on, that's why. If you look in the shadow, it kind of looks like Phantom Freddy trying to get to your office. I made a jump scare of him. Look. Oh no. I like this jump scare. Hold on. This is a jump scare I like. That's a jump scare. It does. If you like this custom figure, make sure to like, subscribe, and tell me to run to the next. Oh wait, I forgot some details. Look at the teeth. I did it with metallic marker. Look on the ear. There's no beep in this ear. Why is there beep in this ear? None of the funny merch has beep in its ear. Look at this. Oh wait, there's beep in this ear. Where else? There's beep in this ear. Beep in this ear. There's beep everywhere. Okay. There's beep in every Freddy's ear. So yeah. Ow! I broke my arm and I can't get up. Fun time, wasn't you at night? Come here, never be a bite. Don't scream, you just... I'm gonna take him to the scooping room. There, took him to the scooping room. Welcome to Stickbot Central. Welcome to Stickbot. I hate FNAF. You piece of craps. I'm gonna kill FNAF. Stickbot's killing FNAF. You guys, if you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe. Comment down to want to see next. And tell me if you want me to do a Stickbot video. This is the only Stickbot I have. Actually, no, I have two more, but I don't know where they are. I have one more, actually, but I don't know where they are. But yeah.